What a vibe. Oh, getting bumpy. No bumpy. What's going on, YouTube? I'm feeling spontaneous today. I'm gonna take you on a little adventure. I'm gonna go bike riding. I'm gonna go bike riding around campus, see what we can get into. I'm not too sure. I wanted to get some workout in, so this will be our workout, and also I think it could be a cool little vlog. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get on the bike, and now I'm gonna just ride around, see what happens. See what happens. Let's go. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. I got my sweet hot rod. Woo woo. So we're gonna be riding today. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. I'll be looking at that. Somebody come steal my bike, please. Cause hot dog. Diggity dog. I'm not even sure where to go, to be honest. So just ride around. I'm gonna just ride around. I don't know how I'm gonna record. I guess I'll just do one-handed thing. Oh yeah, it's such a nice day out. I feel like it's such a shame not to, get a nice little ride in. Wish I had like a GoPro or something. That'd be a lot easier to record. Got a little GoPro action. We can go to the field, see what's going on over there. Got a couple options. Well, we wrap around. We're gonna wrap around. I should have put some wishbone on. Yeah, we're gonna wrap all the way around. Go to both fields, see what's going on, see what's popping in the area. And yeah, maybe we go for like a 10-minute ride, something like that. Just talk with y'all, Vibes. Going down. Alright, so we got nothing going on over there. Yeah, we'll wrap around. Nothing going on over there. In that field. Check. We'll see. Oh, that sun's nice. Break. So nice. The wind is... Now that I recorded, the wind's starting to pick up. That's funny. Just whipped around. I think there's a game going on, if I'm not mistaken. Not sure what game though. But seems to be a lot of cars going around here. Speed bump. Bump it up. Let's go around that. No, there's no game. Seems like it's a practice, so there's no game. Yeah, no, there's nothing going on. Just riding down the hill now. Riding down. What a vibe. Oh, okay, bumpy. No bumpy. My wheel sound. Doesn't sound too happy. Ooh. The wheel does not sound happy. Straight vibes. Speed bump. That was our first round. I'm trying to think another way we can go. We can go all the way down instead of going to the right. How y'all doing today? You made it this far in the video. Comment how you doing. I'm doing great. I'm doing awesome. Piece of plastic bag in the fucking tree. I'm doing amazing. We got our first volleyball game Wednesday. First volleyball game Wednesday. And I'm excited. Definitely gonna have some behind the scenes stuff for you guys, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that, for sure. And we'll go up this hill and then we'll ride around this hill. Dun, 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 dun. It does not look that big on, I mean, it's not that big, but it's definitely a nice steep hill. I gotta put my back in this one. Go up this thing. Usually I don't go up this one unless I'm riding the practice. It does seem like something's going on. Got a little bit of people. I don't know what's going on, but gotta be cautious. I don't want to hit anyone while I'm recording. Let's just scoop around. See what's going on to the left. Actually, a lot of people on campus. Alright. Let's see what's going on. So maybe there's like an event going on today. I saw some people with instruments. We'll just look around. Oh, is it? Oh, nope. Getting lost in the sauce. Alright. Might be. Not sure. Gotta look back. Yeah, that's about it for the ride. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this little talk time. I don't know what this is, but hey, if y'all enjoyed it, I'm here for it. I'll do it some more. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, you know what I mean? Show your boys some love. Look at that sunset. Perfect timing. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Adios.
Yo, hit the subscribe button.